Hello everyone. Welcome back. So today, so today what I want to do, I want to cut my hair, my own hair. So I have like 4 of this and the scissor. So bear with me. Let me try. Because I don't have a mirror here, so wait first. I want to cut it like short. Let me try. I was thinking about it. So I was thinking about it to do it, and then I finally decided. So you have to, I think, fold it like very, I don't know how. Okay, let me try the other side.
Stop picking all his ears. But look out, guys. That's bad. Okay.
So I'm not sure. My hair is long, as you can see, it's long. I don't know if I'm doing it right. I'm not sure, but hair will grow again. So I don't know why I'm doing this. Let me see. And then another layer. Maybe, oh my gosh. Let me put it down a little bit. Because I'm not sure if I will cut it very short. So let me see. If where. Wait. Oh my gosh. Am I sure about this? Or I'm just okay, I just finished shower, so I've been thinking about it because my hair is not that healthy anymore, so oh my goodness, this thing is very right. Let me see. I'm gonna put it a little bit my armpit. Oh my gosh.
Oh no! I see a skeleton.
Is it?
Skeleton.
I think my son is very happy. How? I'm not sure. I don't know. So I'm gonna cut like, is it even? Is it even? Try. So I'm gonna cut here. This, oh my gosh. I'm not sure am I ready or am I not ready? I'm not sure. Am I ready or not ready? But okay, I think I'm ready. Let's see how. Okay, hold on a second. It will grow. I'm gonna put it back if I cut it. If I cut it, I cannot put it back. So, is it even? Allah!
Why, Mama?
Oh my gosh.
Mama, better the police can play with me.
Oh, I'm not sure. I don't know. But I think yes. I'm here. Sa Abanga. Oh my gosh. Ay, gosh. Okay. Taas-taasan na to gamay. Like that. Okay. Wait. Like that. Wait. baby, wait, stop.
Okay, I do a favor.
Wait. Gadaduha dyan ko eh. Wait ba, you don't ask. Wait first, wait. I'm doing something here.
What's something?
I'm gonna cut my hair. My own hair. You stay there, you're not allowed to. Oh my gosh, okay. Sandir, stop.
Later you will be handsome.
Maybe. Sandir, you go there.
I just want to sit down.
Oh my god, I think I do it wrong. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
It's very short now, baby. See? You got it. You go there.
Tomorrow I cry.
Why?
Because Mama losing hair.
No, it's okay. Fine. It's very dirty. Oh my gosh, I got it. I got it, guys. Look. my hair.
And then I have to take
Oh my
about
goodness,
this
I got it
one.
already.
A cannibal wood.
You cannot borrow. You cannot borrow. Oh my gosh. I really did cut my hair. Oh no. Look.
Ah!
Is it even? Or the other side is... What? Stop it, baby.
Your mama, your dad cut very more.
Oh my gosh, my hair. I cut it. Oh no. I did it. I did it. Let me see.
You're so pretty.
Thanks. Wait, you don't.